Alright, what's good? We back with another YouTube video. Today we're gonna do the front end of the car. We're gonna put the radiator on, drive shafts, and we're gonna see what else we can get done, really. And then I hope you guys liked the last video. I know the video quality might not be as best, but in the future I do plan on getting better equipment. So you know what I'm saying, we're gonna try to have top quality videos, and yeah, we're gonna see what we can do. But yeah, we're gonna get started on this. You know what I'm saying, me and Lil Bro, and then we're gonna see what we can do. It's cold, and this past week it was a crazy week. We just had a crazy snowstorm here in Chicago. It was wild, and we're just barely catching up on our sleep. And we're gonna see what we can get done. We're gonna see what we can get done here. I can't talk, and yeah, it's fucking freezing, but we're gonna get started. Alright, so on this part of the video, my brother was helping me put on the bolts for the T-mount, and we kind of forgot to do that when we were mounting the engine. So here he's helping me out as usual. You feel me? Big shout out to Big Bro. So what we're gonna put on, just two things. We're not gonna do the radiator today. We might if we get to it, but we're gonna do the half shaft, the two drive shafts, driver and passenger, and then obviously the T-bolts for the bracket, and then we should be straight. We're gonna obviously record it and see how it goes. All right, so we got T-mount bolts in. As you can see, that's one. Where's on 2, 3, and then what I'm gonna do is tighten the one that's up there. All right, we gotta put on half shaft, so the 3 bolts. So we got bolt down. It's gonna go there, and then it's gonna go into the trans there. Y'all just finished putting the, what do you put in transmission cover? Right? Huh? Yeah. And then this puppy's going on next. Here goes a half shaft. I'll slap it on there. The sand's gonna go inside the trans. Should take no longer than like 2 minutes. Alright, we got the half shaft in. As you guys can see, it's in the trans. There are the bolts. You got 1, 2, 1 up there. Next is the drive axles. So we got these insane shafts for CV axles. They're gonna go into air and into the rotor here. It's gonna end up in between the middle here. And we're gonna install that for now. Alright, so this is the next day. We had to go to the junkyard to go get some parts, and we found a junkyard in Summit. They had 2 RSXs, but they left them out clean. And that's what I'm talking about right here. These things there's literally nothing on the car. The whole inside is gutted out. It's crazy. We just came to get a few things, screws really. This whole thing is gutted out. It's crazy. He's taking off a harness for his door panel because his doors don't lock, or his driver's door doesn't lock. So we came to get some bushings also for the radiator because we didn't have one. And we got some screws for the coolant. And yeah, this is day 3. Finished putting in the front end. Now we're gonna take the car to get a turbo kit. And we're gonna see if the Duke can do my other work, but we got the front end in. As you can see though, we got it on our tilt trailer. Pretty tight. We got the front end in. We got it on the straps. And then all the shit's ready to go. Tilt trailer. We just got Elk Grove, the northwest suburb of Chicago. Here at Rudz Racing, and we're about to unload the car right now.
Wonder.
To the RSX for a couple weeks. What you think, y'all? How you feeling, bro? Deuces. Made a pit stop. One of my personal favorite stops, Dunkin'. I made an iced matcha latte. But yeah, we left the car there. It's gonna be there for about probably till the end of the month. And dude's gonna finish the car for us. He's gonna have that bitch running when we get back.
Like,
yeah.
It's already done.
Yeah, about 70% of the car was done already. Big bro helped us do it. And he's just gonna do the finishing touches on it. He's gonna put our battery relocation kit on it. And yeah, you should see the car running within a few weeks. And we're still gonna be posting videos, but not really car related content. I'm gonna stick to probably just vlogging. I'll be doing a lot of shit, so be entertaining. But thanks for watching, and we catch you guys next week. Power drive, what we gonna do? Ready, tight, left
Balance in my shoes, you know how I'm stepping. Big 24, you know that I'm repping. This left was alone, they all gotta go. 3,000 on shoes.